Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you have launched a WordPress website. It looks great, it runs fine, but there is one problem. It is not showing up on Google. This can feel frustrating, especially if you have spent time building your website and want people to actually find it. So the truth here is that Google doesn't always pick up your website automatically, but the good news here is that there is some simple things that you can do right now in order to fix it and get your website indexed. In this video, I will walk you through easy and proven steps to actually help your WordPress website appear in Google search result. No complicated SEO tools, no coding, just real solutions that actually work. But before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the useful links that are given down in the description box below. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the first step, you need to make sure that your search engine can actually see your website, because sometimes your WordPress settings are actually blocking Google by accident. In order to fix that, you need to come into your dashboard of WordPress. So it should look something like this. Over here, you need to hover over to the left hand section and hover over to settings. Over here, you will see reading. So click on reading and then you will see this type of page in front of you. Now over here, you will see this option that says search engine visibility. So you need to make sure that this box that says discourage search engine from indexing this site is unchecked. As you can see that this is unchecked, so you need to make sure that it is unchecked. And once you are done with this setting, simply click on the save changes option, and that alone could be the reason your site isn't being listed. Now after doing this step, if you see that your website is still not visible within a week or two, you can try this second method, in which you need to manually submit your website to the Google Search Console. If Google doesn't know that your website actually exists, it won't actually show it, right? So you need to go to Google Search Console, and over here you need to log in into your account with the same email on which you have the website. Now you will see the add property option. If you haven't added your website here, then you need to provide your full website URL just like this one. Then you need to choose the URL prefix option and verify your ownership using your hosting provider and upload the verification file. Once you are verified successfully, you need to go to the URL inspection section, and over here you need to paste your website's homepage URL. Then you need to click on the option of request indexing, and this tells Google that hey, I exist, come and crawl me. So once this step is done, you need to create and submit a sitemap as well. A sitemap is actually going to help Google understand your website's structure. So if you use plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math SEO, just like I'm using, so they actually create a sitemap for you. So you can go to your domain sitemap underscore index.xml. Let me just show you how it actually works. So this is my website. If I click on the visit website, after your domain, you just have to type this command, that is sitemap underscore index.xml. Then you need to press enter. So this is the sitemap of my website. So if you want to see it for your website as well, you need to go back to your search console, and here you need to click on the sitemaps option. Over here you need to paste the URL like sitemap underscore index.xml, and you need to submit over here. This makes it very easier for Google to actually crawl and list your pages. The next thing that you can do here is you can just check for no index tags as well. Even if your website is visible, some of the individual pages might be hidden from Google. So you need to open your post or your page in your WordPress editor. So you need to come in your WordPress editor, click on the all posts option. From here you need to click on the quick edit option, or you can even just click on the option of edit. Now once you are in your editor, you need to scroll to the SEO section. It can be Yoast or it can be SEO plugin, and make sure that you have allowed search engine to show this page in the search result. This option is actually checked as yes. Do this for your homepage, main pages, and your blog post, especially if they are important to you. Also, avoid any setting entire categories or tag to the no index page. Now, you need to improve your website's content and your media library as well. So your home page has a clear title and description. Every page has a unique meta title and meta description. You have at least a few quality pages and blog posts. So these are some of the criteria that you need to have for Google to actually crawl your website. You can add these easily using SEO plugin tools like Yoast SEO, Rank Math, all-in-one SEO, etc. Make sure that your website look useful and relevant, and Google actually prefer these types of websites that offer high value. You can even get a few backlinks from your friends' websites or from someone's for someone. You can do guest posting. You can even use some of the social media accounts of yours, and from there you can give it backlink. So these were some of the fixes that you can use in order to fix your WordPress website that is not showing up in Google search results. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. You can drop a comment and I'm here to help you out with that as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.